Strawberry frozen yoghurt is a perfect healthy alternative to ice cream, allowing you to stay refreshed and cool in this beautiful warm weather that we're having this summer. To make this strawberry frozen yoghurt, you will need 250 grams of Greek yoghurt, 200 grams of strawberries, plus extra for decoration. You're going to want to de-stem these and chop them up like this, and 198 grams of condensed milk. You'll also need a blender or food processor, and a loaf tin or spare ice cream container. Step 1. Put your strawberries, condensed milk, and Greek yoghurt into your food processor or blender. Step 2. Prepare your food processor or blender and blend your mixture on short bursts or pulses until your ingredients are combined. You still want some bits of strawberry in the mix to make it extra tasty. Step 3. Pour your mixture into a loaf tin or old ice cream container and top with some extra pieces of strawberry for decoration. Step 4. Pop your mixture in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours. You may want to remove it from the freezer about 30 minutes before serving so that it's soft enough to scoop. Step 5. Serve up and tuck into this delicious, healthier dessert.